Hello friends, I am Sheikh Bakhtaur Sikandar. I study in class 7. I go to Zilla Parishad Primary School, Dihor, Islampur. I am very happy to say that due to the We Learn English program, I am able to speak in English fluently. Friends, this program is very important and useful to develop the skill of speaking English. This program is going to start for the second time. If you want to speak in English, you have to listen to the We Learn English program regularly from lesson number 1 to lesson number 84. You can listen to the We Learn English program only on Radio Parbhani 90.8 FM. Apli Parbhani, Apla Awaz. So friends, don't forget to listen to the We Learn English program only on Radio Parbhani 90.8 FM. Apli Parbhani, Apla Awaz.